Hey guys, Ronnie and Caleb coming to you. I'm getting ready to leave Chicago, and I just wanted to say we wanted to say a quick thank you for coming to the workshop. It was amazing to see you guys show up and really embrace the work, listen to the material, and then really internalize it. And we could see the work working on you, and that was maybe my favorite part of the week.
Yeah.
Just to really see things hit you guys, to see the emotion, and to see you embracing that idea of self-love and accepting yourself where you are today. So thank you so much for letting us do this. Hopefully we'll get to do this again. Hopefully another bus won't come by whenever we're trying to make a video. We really had a blast. I had a wonderful time, and this is just amazing to get to do something we love and do it in a way that is contributing to others' growth, and we really saw that growth, so thank you. And I think Ronnie now has a little bit of a challenge for you.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much, Caleb, for doing this with me. It was such an honor, and I think he had great insight for you guys, and it was really wonderful to share in this with them. And I want to touch on what he said as well, that physically seeing the change in you guys was brilliant and amazing, and you did the work, and like we said then, this doesn't end now. You know, this isn't over. So the work actually begins now. So I want you guys to just take a little challenge. I know that we said before that we want you to start taking this next week and really noticing what pushes and pulls you. Remembering that, you know, asking the right questions, like what kind of person does that? You know, like, you know, if somebody pulls out in front of you and you get outraged from it and it carries with you for about 4 miles.
Or 4 hours.
Yeah, what a jerk off that was to pull out in front of you. You know, what kind of person does that? An idiot, or selfish, or disrespectful? I mean, really kind of dive into that and write about it. You know, the whole point of this isn't like, you know, it's like seeing a gym as you drive by it. Yep, there's that gym. You know, really ask the questions. Where did you come from? When did I create you? When did I make you a bad part of, you know, of who I am? You know, and when did I shame you your rightful place in my life? You know, and then find the gift in it, because there is a gift, remember? That's what we're, you know, trying to shift as our perception, to see the gifts that we've been given already that we have shamed and denied, you know, in our lives, and made us feel like we're not whole. So we love you guys, we support you, and I want you to comment below, because we're here to support each other. And once you have a breakthrough, or maybe you're even having a breakdown, and that's okay. Remember, this is a whole
part of it.
Yeah, it's part of the journey, you know. There's nothing to fix. Remember, this is, you know, an exciting journey. So sharing is caring. I don't know why I just said that. Sharing is caring. So we love you guys, we support you guys, and if there's anything that either one of us can do, we're here in this group, and we will respond to you. And like we said, we honor and respect all of your journeys and want to support you. And thanks again, Caleb, for being here.
You are so welcome.
You know, thank God for Facebook and internet. We can still see his pretty face. All right. Thank you guys so much.
Bye guys.
Take care.
Next time.
Bye.